Hi there. Have you had shriveled fruit? Well, they are not quite spoiled yet, but with the wrinkled skin, they lost the beauty of being fresh. Sadly, so did our appetite. In this episode, let me show you how to save the situation and turn them into a delightful dessert that the entire family will enjoy. By the way, welcome to the ingredient channel where I share easy to follow homemade Chinese recipes. Please like and subscribe if you enjoy the video. First, peel and remove the skin. Get rid of the cores and cut the fruit, in my case apple and peach, into 1 to 2 inches long. For orange, peel and separate. Then add the fruit into a pot. Enough water to fully cover the fruit. Do not add too much water. Boil and simmer. In between, add a piece of rock candy or a tablespoon of sugar. Simmer for about 10 minutes. The fruit gets translucent, soft but not soggy. Add 1 teaspoon of dried goji berry. Click the link in the description box under the video for more information about the dried fruit and its superb health benefits. Cover and simmer for 1 more minute. Switch off the burner and enjoy. It can be served hot or cold. I personally favor the cold version. Keep it in the refrigerator for 2 hours and enjoy. Great for breakfast or snack, completely appropriate to serve as a dessert for dinner as well, as it looks just gorgeous. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please do like and share the recipe to support my small channel. Also remember to subscribe for more exciting and easy to follow authentic Chinese recipes. Thanks and see you around.